welcome back to some more RWBY AMVs and such of that nature. Today we have RWBY AMV Angel with Shotgun by BattleRhythm. So click link up there, go to the video, watch it for yourself. This video will be low so you can talk over it, so you want to hear it, all of the glory, max bass, max volume, full screen with download commentary. Click up there, go to the video and watch it for yourself, and click this link here to go to BattleRhythm's channel to go see all the other stuff on his channel, including a bunch of RWBY AMVs and all that good stuff. I'm sure you'll find something there you will enjoy. Without further ado, let's jump into it, shall we? Here we go. Already cool. I do remember the song, Angel with Shotgun, so. Oh, it's like the Nightcore version. Okay. Fire boy! Like, so far you're only using the openings. Well, mainly openings. Stuff like this too as well, but very well editing. I just very good at whatever. Very good.
Take me back. I'm an angel with the shotgun, fighting till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'll throw away my fake fame just to keep it safe.
It's super cool stuff like that. I like it. I definitely, obviously there's no effects over anything, but it doesn't need effects. The editing is pretty well done.
You're fighting for. Well, baby, you are all that I adore. If love is what you need, a soldier I will be.
Well, there you go. It was abrupt ending a little bit, but that's fine. Maybe that's how it ends, but it just sounds off because it's a Nightcore version. So, interesting. Yeah, like I said, making AMVs, you don't need effects to make a point or like to make it good, and this definitely, well, I shouldn't say definitely, is the wrong word. It doesn't have effects in the video at all, but it's very well edited. There's a lot of good bits in here, where it was stitching together all of the openings. Very well done, by the way. How they edited that together. There's a part where I think it's opening 1 from volume 1. Well, that might be 2 actually. I think it's volume 2. The volume 2 opening where all the main 4 girls are like, you know, punching, and then Blake comes around from her and she slices, and then Weiss comes around from her and she slices, and then RWBY comes out for her, or from her, or whatever, and slices her crescent rose, and then like the screen kind of immediately twitches over to Volume 3 opening, and that was like a cool transition that they did there. It was like a big transition. It was just like I think it was just a cut, but it worked very well for what it was. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Click up here, go to the video, tell them what you thought, give him all your love and support, and click this link, go to BattleRhythm's channel to go see all this stuff on his channel, including a bunch of other AMVs and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, everybody.